Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to visit villages in Call of Dragons. In Call of Dragons, finding or visiting villages can be done either by manually exploring the world map or by using your alliance tools for a more direct route. So start by zooming into map and looking for small house icons that represent villages, keeping in mind that you can only interact with villages that belong to your alliance or are within your allowed territory. If a village is outside your alliance or not connected to your control, you won't be able to visit or interact with it. So the most reliable method is to go into your alliance menu. Then open the territory section where your alliance controlled structures are listed, including any owned villages. From there, you can select a specific village and use its coordinate button to instantly jump to its location on the map, which makes it much easier than searching manually. It's also important to remember that you need to be on the same server or region as the village to actually access or interact with it. Otherwise, it will appear but remain unreachable. Once you select a valid village with your alliance territory, you can view it, travel to it, and interact depending on your permissions and alliance control status. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.